GraalVM. It says build faster, smaller, leaner applications. An advanced JDK with ahead of time image compilation. So if it is a Java, Python, JavaScript, or any other language, when we are building it, so how much time it takes in the build, how much time it is, how much memory it is taking, in a word, how much efficient every step, every process that takes in taking the application into production, that matters. If there is some new technology, new stuff is there that says that this is the time that your existing application in this process is taking and I can improve it further 10 times, 20 times, it becomes very attractive and everyone wants to explore that. This GraalVM, I had heard it a while back. Recently, I started exploring about it. So this video just let's walk through what is this all about. In future videos, I'll be coming up like how it can be integrated with the Java ecosystem, Spring Boot, how it replaces, and basically more importantly, how easy it is to implement that with our existing ecosystem. Because you see, if we already have JVM, Java Virtual Machine ecosystem, right? We have different sort of tools, AP, application monitoring, alerting system, everywhere some sort of agents are there integrated. So if I have to change that with any new ecosystem, so I have to see that how much compatible it is, and if I changed one thing, so how it will affect, because that's also an important factor and critical factor. I don't want to introduce a new technology that breaks my existing system. So that's I do not want to do that. Okay, so let's explore this. We will see how much efficient it is for our use cases. Like, so GraalVM, it says build faster, smaller, leaner applications. So let's first say what is this all about. So there is an overview section in here that says about it, right? GraalVM compiles your Java application ahead of time into standalone binaries. These binaries are smaller, start up to 100 times faster, provide peak performance with no warm up, and use less memory and CPU than applications running on a Java virtual machine. So this is very attractive and very intuitive line. We'll see how much it is like when we use it, how much it can give. GraalVM reduces the attack surface of your application. It excludes unused classes, methods, and fields from the application binary. It restricts reflection and other dynamic Java language features to build time only. It does not load any unknown code at runtime. Popular microservices frameworks such as Spring Boot, Micronaut, Halidon, and Quarkus, and cloud platforms such as Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, AWS, Google Cloud Platform, and Microsoft Azure all support GraalVM. With profile guided optimization and the G1 garbage first garbage collector, you can get lower latency and on par or better peak performance and throughput compared to applications running on a Java virtual machine. You can use the GraalVM JDK just like any other JDK kit in your IDE. This is great. If it says so that I can just replace the JDK with GraalVM JDK, I can try that out. So I'll be trying that out also. What is this? Okay, so you see the next one, like Graal projects, GraalJS, Graal Python, Java on top of Ruby. So it has cross language support as well. Graal stack, Graal native. So let's see this one, because this is the first time I'm exploring this one here. Graal stack, a full stack for the development and deployment of high performance cloud native applications. What is this Graal stack? What is the Graal stack? The Graal stack includes Graal Cloud Native, which makes it easy to build multi-cloud native applications. Graal VM native image, which compiles your application into an efficient native executable, and Graal OS, which makes the cloud as easy to use as the JVM. Graal VM, Graal OS, Graal stack components. There are different systems here. Startup time, it has given metrics. Startup time, typical systems 1x GraalVM 100 times faster. Memory footprint, typical system 200 MB, this is just 4.5 MB. This is very intuitive. uh, Graal OS is there. What is this Graal OS? Let's see. High performance serverless application deployment platform. GraalVM is an application deployment technology that uses GraalVM native image to run your application as a native machine executable to take full advantage of the latest 4x and this processor features. Fast start, low latency, reduced memory, run on demand applications, not containers. So it is ahead of, like, containers are the buzzword nowadays. So it is ahead of that. Cloud native. GraalOS takes advantage of the latest advances in the processor architecture for hardware enforced application isolation without requiring application containerization. So this is going to be very interesting. Coming to the main site that they have, GraalVM for JDK 21 is also there. It is announced there. Low resource usage, improved security, fast startup, compact packaging, supported by framework, supported by leading cloud platforms, native image. So all sort of guide is here: JUnit support, debug, package and deploy, monitor. So whatever application development life cycle is there, so their support is there, but it's the point that what we are exploring around this one, right? So there is one more article that I want to show, like GraalVM in 2023. This is the article that they have published, how much it has done. So here, when it's chronological history, how it has been when it was there, so it's important. So it was announced like uh 2005 Sun Labs magazine, Java JVM initial release. 2011 it was joined by Oracle and starts Graal compiler project. Then 2017 native image open sourced. 2018 there are three main events like Micronaut 1 with native image support. Twitter uses GraalJet for core microservices. GraalVM 1.0 release. So this is used by giant companies. 2019 Quarkus 1.0 with native image support. Oracle Cloud runs services on GraalVM. GraalVM goes GA 19.0 release 2019. 2020 Microdoc announces GraalVM for embedded. Alibaba deploys native image in production. 2021 Facebook deploys GraalVM. AWS SDK support for native image March. Spring Native goes beta. 2022 Google Cloud Platform SDK support for native image. Spring Boot 3 with native image support. OpenGTK Gala had project proposed. 2023 Graal OS and layered native image announced. GraalVM free terms and conditions license. Azure SDK support for native image. So there has been a lot in development and quite good things are happening in this one. So it will be very interesting to explore this one. So I'll be coming up more around this one. It was just introduction about GraalVM. What is this and how should we use it? So just the guidelines. Okay. So see you in some other. We'll see you in some other video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.